today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Today we take a quick ride to Brooksville Airport Flea Market off Spring Hill Road in Brooksville, Florida. $10. Found a Fiero. Not a GT, but I guess they never made a GT Matchbox. Brooksville Airport Flea Market. They got a lot of stuff.
Overfed it definitely.
Hey, bub. What's up, Piggy?
Exercise it. And now it can't exercise.
I'm sorry, you trying to get around me?
No. They even got their own barber shop. It's pretty wild.
Thing at the top. Ew.
Some pretty good ones.
I got a good one.
Oh, it's all one box? Yeah, it's all, yeah. I thought it was that way. I thought it was a big box to do it.
Looking for Van Halen. Or did you sell out, you think?
Here we go.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
If you're not first, you're last, Ricky Bobby.
That's right. So the flea market was neat, right?
Yeah.
Got a lot of collectibles. They have live entertainment though. Let's go look at them.
At the bar.
Well, we can peek through here. Saw a mini truck while we're walking around. Maybe I'll find it and put a key tag under the windshield wiper. Check out that old Volkswagen. I don't believe it was a convertible originally. They got a fuel tank up top. Pretty neat. Now we'll take a little ride over to Ford Island Beach, take the kayaks out and check out that pier. Now you gotta push yourself off. And we're off. It's so shallow, the crab trap is sticking out of water. Duck, duck. Ooh, something big right here. Yeah, you got little oar things, so you could do this. Like that. And then hook it back. This one has just like a bolt. Well, we definitely spooked something up already, so let's see what else is out here. Mama's new kayak. Yeah, I got that for $140 at a thrift store. Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. One flew over the cuckoo's nest. When the guy started singing that, somebody's screaming on a bike. Shift it! Shift it up! Shift it! It didn't sound like he was going that fast. We're past the beach and that's the walk over there. So that we don't have too far to go. About 2 feet deep there. Oh, there's a dock. If I recall, like this was a float section, it must have broke off. How could it have all them barnacles already? What's it been, a month? Holy mackerel. 2 months now? Holy cow. That's crazy. Off to the other pier. It's not that far. And once you get that sign, it's only like another 100 feet. Don't be crying you're tired already. I never realized that jutted in like that. No, because that's where the dock goes out. It's not farther than I think. You'll see. As soon as you get out a little bit further. I'm sure the wind is going to ruin this video. That's that island that you see right off the pier. Look how clear it is. Birdie's hunting. Should leave me in the dust. Ooh, it's really shallow here, look. I'm touching the ground a little. Oh, bottoming out. Show off. Look, could you lighter than me? We can go fishing now. No one's been out there. All the fish are probably waiting, saying, "Where's all the food?" The dock is busted. Oh, busted up some boards underneath too. Wow. See if you can find some fishing lures. Down on the boardwalk. Boardwalk. Don't look bad under here. Oof. They're brave. Guess they're gonna go fishing anyway. I guess they didn't see the signs in the busted up dock. Those rings are supposed to be up here near the paddles so the water don't drip in. I got water in mine from that. I gotta buy some. They must, I gotta remember next time I go to Walmart, huh? Because it drips in here and then it gets water. Aha, now you're in the shallow. Oh, I'm bottoming out. You gotta push like this from behind you. You gotta push out this way because it's more shallow where you're going. There you go. And you push down and forwards. There you go. You're pushing yourself in. You got to go out. Now you could probably paddle. You're off of it. You didn't have to get all dramatic about it. They came out to fish and they left. Are we going to go in that little cove on the right? Well, I am. A lot of rocks. What the heck is that? Oh, it's a tire. Jeez. That thing's been here for a while. Oh, a crab come under me. I guess you're not going to catch something. Ooh, see how sharp they are? Ooh, boy. They're sharp. Oyster bar. They're sharp, boy. If you had a raft, it'd probably pop a hole in it. Hope it don't poke a hole in my Walmart kayak. See how my wife waits for me, eh? Look at all the birds. They're gonna poop on her. What the heck are they eating? Look at them all. They're attacking her. The birds.
Watch them and they dip down and put their grabs up with their claws. But then I think they did that to like water ski a little slightly on the water, and then they put their face down, and, their beak down, and come up with something.
Oh.
Too small to see what it was.
Yeah, they got to be little minnows or something.
Yeah. That was pretty cool. It felt like I was in a whole swarm. You could see them all coming because they called and they were coming like from further than where you were.
Look and see if there's any in there. Oh yeah, I see a crab in there. At least one. Let me out! Now if we had a sail, it would blow us in. Oh, right here, look at all the little fish we're biting. Look like a bunch of little fish came up to the top. They just went like No, I don't see nothing in that one. Definitely low tide. Look at the mangroves. Yeah, I never knew that was like one of the biggest producers of oxygen. It's crazy. To live in the salt water. Man, the wind just keeps blowing me. Blow me, wind. Nothing. Yeah, it was worth a little shot, but yeah, I think I bored the wife and left.
I don't know if they're crabs. They look like they're flopping.
Oh, little birds, you think? He's been getting them? See if we'll get one for us. Wind's starting to turn me. Hurry up, birdie, get something. Not gonna get nothing for the camera. Going wide. It's shallow there. I think the water level went down a little bit. Ah, it did. Ugh. I got my shoes muddy.
Here, Ellen.
Uh-huh. You wouldn't like to see that. I opened it up and a friggin' one of them roaches jumped out and I flung it over there. See them in the water? Oh, palmetto bugs. He was in the oar. See, that's what happens when it was sitting on the ground.
It's a good thing it didn't come out while I was in that because they
In the
would have been
water.
screaming and drowning. We were at the beachy part. Then I'd be flopping around screaming.
Drowning. It's like 3 foot of water. See what's on the beach? Look at that.
Look at that. What's he looking at?
Well, that was fun. Always good at Granny's. Clam strips, rice with gravy and cabbage and meatloaf, mashed potatoes and carrots. My son's friend Alejandra got a little deep in the mud hole.
Yeah, it's the same thing I'm pulling with on the back of mine. He broke a shock or something.
Oh, he's broke. Oh yeah, he's broke.
Holy shit. Is he trying to pull? Was that bumper like that? No.
No, we did that.
Yeah, he messed up.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.